Today I'm going to be showing you guys this really cool TikTok follower generator that I found online, guys. So this is completely free and it's going to automatically generate TikTok followers automatically straight to your account, guys. So before we get into this tutorial, guys, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away. So if you want to win this, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone. Alrighty, guys, so let's go ahead and get into the tutorial.
Here's how you go ahead and get this follower generator. You just open up Google and then type in the URL at the top, odexgen.com, odexgen.com. Alrighty, guys, so it'll bring you to a site that looks like this. So all you need to do is just scroll down until you see the TikTok Plus app. So just go ahead and click on that once you find it, guys. Then it's going to say app tweaking required, and you'll see an orange button that says download TikTok Plus. So just go ahead and click this orange button, guys, and it's going to say tweaking app. So essentially all this means, guys, it's going to be preparing your phone to download this TikTok follower generator to your phone. Alrighty, guys, and it's going to say preparing human verification. So all this means, guys, it's going to be sending you to a human verification test just to verify that you're a real person and not a robot. So what you need to do here, guys, is just complete the 4 simple offers that are shown, guys. So with each app that you get, you want to install each app and then run each app for 30 seconds. Then with each survey that you get, all you need to do is click on them and then answer a few simple questions, guys. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how to do an app. So just click on the app and it's going to send you directly to the App Store. So once you're here, guys, all you need to do is install it. And then once it's installed, just go ahead and open it up, guys, and then run it for 30 seconds. So guys, once you have it open, just run it. You don't need to play a game or sign in or anything. You just need to open it up and run it for 30 seconds, guys. So once it's run for 30 seconds, you want to come back and then complete the rest of your offers, guys.